Hey, this is Juan from the Atlas development team, and today I'm going to show you how to use the content toggle module. So the first thing we're going to do is add our content toggle module to our page so we can review the fields. The first thing we're going to see here is the animation scroll library. This is included with all of Atlas's Pro modules and is not specific to the content toggle module, which is why we're not going to be reviewing it today, but we have a documentation article going over all the things you can do with it. As you might have noticed, modules on HubSpot tend to stretch to fill as much space as they can, which is why we included an alignment option. You can set it to the left, to the right, and to the center. We're going to keep it on the center for now. You can also change your left and right labels. You can also override the active and inactive colors. The active one highlights what your content toggle is currently set to, while the inactive one represents the color of the label that's not selected. So that's it for the fields in this module. But how do we actually make it toggle between contents? For that, we're going to need a secondary market. This module needs to include a reach-text field that's going to host the contents we're going to toggle between. In this case, I'm going to be using the custom reach-text module, so I'm going to drop it here. So what I'm going to do now is click on my module, find the reach-text field, and get rid of this content and add two labels that we're going to switch between. So I have created two paragraphs here. I'm going to click here on Advanced, the source code, and this is going to show me the HTML structure of my reach text. We're going to make it so that when the content toggle is set to weekly, it's going to show this label and hide this one. And when it's set to daily, it's going to show this one and hide this one. Now, we need to provide a way for our content toggle module to be able to target each one of these paragraphs. We're going to do that by heading over to this opening tag right here. You're going to get right between the name of it and the greater than sign. In order to make some spaces, do like class equals to quotation marks, and we're going to write KL toggler space content 0. We're going to do the same thing for this one, but it's going to say content 1. We're going to save our changes. Now, as you can see, you can only see the weekly label, but if we toggle to daily, it's going to show the daily one. A very common use case is having different prices on the pricing cards module. From the shop one right here, let's say you want to edit the pro price so that when it's set to daily, it changes to a different number. I'm going to edit the pro card, scroll down to the price reach text, go advanced, source code, and we have the label for 85. And to copy that one, paste it right below. Let's change it to 65, for example. And we need to add the classes right here in case 2 tags. We need to copy the classes that you can find in the description below. This is content 0. And this is the content 1. And now when I save changes and switch to daily, we can see the price changing. We don't have to limit ourselves to just text. Anything that lives inside a reach text field is going to work. We can get rid of this content and insert an image, for example. And then go to insert another one right below. We're going to head over to Advanced, Source Code, and this might be a little bit more complicated, but if you manage to get the image tags, you can still apply the classes right up to it. This is the plus for content 0. And here's the one for content 1. Keep in mind that the content toggle module will switch the visibility of these classes for your entire page. This is, for example, a custom reach text module, and this is a simple card one. They both have already the labels with the properly set classes 0 and 1, and same thing for the simple card module. 0 and 1. And when I click on the content toggle, you can see them both switch at the same time. So that's all for today. If feel free to reach out to us to our email support in the description below, and check out our premium support if you're looking for custom development work. Catch you guys in the next one.